So if you're in Blender and you're missing your Gizmo transform tool like this, here I'm selecting some vertices and I'm going to go to rotate, I'm going to go to move, I'm going to go to scale on the left hand side, and none of them are giving me my tool. I can't do what I need to do. I mean, I can sort of highlight some vertices, but what's going on? The problem is that you hit spacebar accidentally. So if you're in the modeling view and you hit spacebar again, now you've got your tool back. So whatever I click, I can see it again. I hope this helped you guys. It's a silly problem, but it's an annoying one. So if you're new to Blender, please join me for more videos.